Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross, stock number 6661. This ran from the 2020 to the current shape. It has an M15 1.5 litre 3-cylinder petrol hybrid engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the M15 1.5 litre 3-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. Left front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,